Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar exploration mission planned by the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO. After the successful mission of Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2, ISRO is gearing up for another ambitious journey to the moon. Chandrayaan 3 is expected to build upon the success of its predecessors and further enhance India's capabilities in space exploration. The primary objective of Chandrayaan 3 is to land a rover on the moon's surface and conduct scientific experiments to study the lunar terrain and geology. The mission will also aim to analyze the presence of water and other minerals on the moon, which could provide valuable insights into the moon's formation and evolution. Additionally, Chandrayaan 3 will seek to demonstrate India's technological prowess in space exploration and establish the country as a key player in the global space race. One of the key challenges of Chandrayaan 3 will be the successful landing of the rover on the moon's surface. The previous mission, Chandrayaan 2, faced a setback when the lander Vikram lost communication with the ground control during its descent. ISRO has learned valuable lessons from this experience and is working to ensure a smooth landing for Chandrayaan 3. The mission will also involve collaboration with international partners to leverage their expertise and resources in space exploration. Chandrayaan 3 is expected to carry a suite of scientific instruments to study the moon's surface in detail. These instruments will include cameras, spectrometers, and other sensors to collect data on the moon's composition, topography, and atmosphere. The data collected by Chandrayaan 3 will be used to advance our understanding of the moon and its potential for future exploration and colonization. In addition to its scientific objectives, Chandrayaan 3 will also have strategic implications for India's space program. The mission will showcase India's technological capabilities and strengthen its position as a leading spacefaring nation. It will also inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers to pursue careers in space exploration and contribute to India's growing space industry. Overall, Chandrayaan 3 represents a significant milestone in India's space exploration journey. The mission will not only expand our knowledge of the moon but also demonstrate India's ability to undertake complex and challenging missions in space. With Chandrayaan 3, ISRO is poised to make history once again and cement India's place among the world's spacefaring nations. By successfully landing a rover on the moon, India will demonstrate its capabilities and expertise in space exploration, paving the way for future missions and collaborations in the exploration of the moon and beyond.